shoelace. This is how I used to tie my hair. I use the black, but I can't find the black, so I'm just going to use this. Number one, very simple style. Oh, I also have a toothbrush for edges. So let's pick your roots. Okay.
Let's call this a style. Call this unapologetically black. I don't know. You have that old braid out, whatever, what you slept with at night. You can just pick your roots, you know. Pick your roots. It's a style. You can go. But be careful. When I go out with my hair like this, by the time I get back, my hair shrinkage becomes way shorter. Way shorter. So
for this style, I'm just going to see. I didn't use any comb. Just my fingers. My fingers. See? Some people like to put it around like this. Tie it just once here, but it shouldn't be tight. Okay, I'm going to flip so that you can see what I'm doing. This is it. See where it is. So at this point, I'm just going to move it up. As I move it up a bit, I kind of tighten it here in front. If I move it up, I tighten it in front. I tighten it in front. A bit, not too much. You don't want your head aching because you have to wear a natural hairstyle. Come on! So, a bit. I tighten it in front. Okay, so I think it's okay like this. Depending on how you want it to be. So, you see I tie it in front here. I'm just going to move it. After tying it here once, I'm just going to insert it. Find a part, put it in. Find a part for this one. And then I put it in. So after this, I'm just going to pick it a bit.
wow, my arms are really fit. It must be the natural hair because I've not done push-ups in ages. It must be the natural hair thing. So I'm going to pick it.
I'm just going to take a part of the what's that stuff? Olive oil, blah blah blah, what's not. This is a toothbrush I use on my hair, so I'm going to use this. This is how you lay your edges. You see, it's not difficult. I just started doing this thing like when? Some days back. Was it last month? The other time my friend did it for me, so I just watched. See, it's not difficult. Take it like this. I see you're painting. Whoa, damn, slick. Oh my god, girl. Sorry. So you take it again, depending on how you want it laid. Not too much, oh. I notice I tend to use a lot of it because I'm not a pro, so. See? It's looking whitish because it's not dried. When it's dried, it's going to blend. I'm going to take this part. See how I just removed the part of it and laid it? Yup. Okay, I think that's what those girls do on Instagram. This is how they do it. I can't see any baby hair here. Let's assume there's one here. So you just take it and do that stuff. I'm sure most of you have baby hair. My baby hair is an adult hair because it is strong. Very strong, as if you can see. Very, very strong. Try. Okay, I'm trying. I'm really trying. So let's assume I've laid this part. Let me come and lay this thing here. My side bone. Try. Baby girl for life. See? Laid. Layered. Let me start by laying my side bone here. Laid. Layered. What's the difference in the laid and the not laid?
Oh well, I wouldn't know how this stuff works. I hope I'm laying it well. Okay, yeah, lay that one. Oh shit! Oh my god, I look like those girls on Instagram. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god, this is how they do it. I don't trust my village people. I feel like they follow me everywhere. If I get too excited now. Oh, girl.
You see? Laid. Let me try on this side and see. I can't see any edges here. This thing is confusing. This side, layered. This side, you cannot lay because I cannot see any edges on this side. All my edges, they've adult, they've grown up. Oh, this thing. Okay, let's see. Let's try here. Hey, my village people, they've come. They started.
Okay, this side is more laid, so I'm going to show you people this part. My achievement. Layered. Laid. Le.
Finally. I'm layered. So this is basically it. You see the only thing I was wasting time is the laying of edges. And that's because my hair is very dense, thick. My hair is adult hair. So basically I don't really have that baby hair you guys have in front. want.
Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Like my video.